guys! Welcome back! It's me again, Probinsya ng Morena. For today's video ay mag-unboxing kami ng phone. Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus 5G. So, here it is guys. So, dalawa yung binili ni fiancé. So, dalawa, he surprised me. So, I'm working today and then he messaged me that he got a surprise. So, this is his surprise. 2 phone. One for me and one for him. Actually, he really wants this phone, not me. That's the truth. That's the truth. So, he got a phone, Samsung, and mine is Oppo. So, but he doesn't like na daw because he likes this na.
Yeah.
Oh. So, let's unbox, guys.
It's the new Mi phone. It's like the flagship Samsungs or the Apple best phones.
So,
But it's much cheaper because they're Mi are Chinese.
yeah, so we will know if this phone is really good or what. So, this is it, guys. Let's unbox. So, ba't hindi nakikita? So, just put it here. So, he bought this at SM
Mall.
Yeah, SM Mall. So, ayan, so guys. So, ito may kasamang ganito. What do you call this?
SIM ejector.
SIM ejector. And then, of course, they have charger. Is this Type-C?
Type A to Type C, I think.
So, where's the... So, I need so, this is...
That's the brick, 120 watt charger.
Yeah, 120 watts charger. So, I need adapter.
No, that's... I need an adapter. You're okay for here.
Oh, okay.
I have an adapter though.
I think
There's my adapter.
the outlet at home is not like this.
Yeah, but my one fixes. I'll show you now. See?
I don't have like that.
You do. They're the ones that you always use. I tried it earlier. It fits into your plug.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh.
It might look different, but it's the same one.
Okay, so not just the flat one. Not like this.
No, it's kind of like that, but it works in yours. I tried it earlier. It's the same type.
So this one, let's unbox. So here's the manual. And they give a free jelly case.
Silicone case.
Just like a red. There's no other color.
We could have got. I was afraid to get you the green or the purple phone in case you didn't like it. So I got the black one.
Yeah, because black is my favorite color.
Exactly.
So this is the phone, guys. So ayan. So ang camera niya ay 200 MP AI camera. I don't know really in phone, so I just like if I buy a phone, I just buy a phone like that. So there is the camera. Is this the camera?
Yeah.
And then
One is the light and 3 are the camera.
So it's not like that. Can I use this with
Yes, of course can your thumb. You put it there, huh? Like I do.
Not in the side.
No, when you do your phone, you can put
Why?
all the thumb or a face recognition or a thumb recognition.
This. Ito siya guys, oh. Ganyan. So, the battery. So, yan. Brightness, the battery, or whatsoever. So, it's just like a normal phone. It's just that, ang camera niya ay 200 MP.
Yeah.
AI camera. So, we will find out guys sa next vlog ko. I will use this phone if this is really good. So, we will know.
Yeah.
So, they have Netflix, Lazada. Can I uninstall Lazada if I don't?
Yeah, whatever you don't want to get rid of.
So I will just uninstall. Okay. The cleaners or like that. It's just Android phone. So, tapos ito naman yung phone ni Porter. So we already put some recommendation. So we have twin phone.
Yeah.
So let's see if this phone will last for how many years, and this one. For sure, his phone will last like
2 years maybe if I'm lucky.
or just 1 year. I hope so. And mine is like, I usually don't buy phone. So that my phone, this phone is like 3 years. I buy this 3 years ago. And this is just a cheap phone. Imagine. Because I don't have money to buy.
But these are good phones, they should last.
Yeah, so hopefully guys, this is really good.
I think Redmi are Chinese, are they?
Yeah.
Well, they're good anyway, they're really.
Kasi ako hindi ako mapaano talaga mapabili ng phone kasi wala naman akong pera pambili. As long as may magagamit pa ako, I won't buy. But I have still phone. So, ito yung camera niya guys. So, ayan, ang ganda ko ba?
Good.
Ayan siya. So, how about the music? So, portrait, night mode, more. I hope this is really good, guys. I think that's it for today. They give us free. So, we buy two phones, but this is just free. They give us this one. Why did they give us one free? I hope they give two.
No, they'll only give you one. They were lucky to give us one. They were going to give us a bag, and then your man said, I'll give you the headphones instead.
Mm-hmm.
I said, thanks, that'd be great.
So, if we buy this, how much is this?
A few thousand, I think. 7,000 maybe, I don't know.
Redmi Buds 6 Pro. Actually, hindi ako mahilig sa mga gadgets. Meron na akong AirPods. Bigay lang din siya. Binigay ko din sa kapatid ko kasi I'm not into listening music na gamit ang headphone. Si partner kasi meron na siyang, you have your headphone, right?
Yeah.
Yes. He is like, is into JBL. Actually, he want me to buy JBL for me, but I said no. I don't want. I don't use it. So I'm not into technology talaga, guys. I'm just into vlogging, but I don't have nice phone, and it's fine for me because it's just like So they have their, what do you call this?
They're the earbud yokes.
Earbud yokes, and the charger.
But you can just charge your phone charger with it, or any charger, the USB.
Yeah. Ganun naman talaga, guys, diba? Did they try this? Did you try
Yes,
this?
they're already working.
Okay.
It worked with your phone, not my one.
Mm-hmm.
Your woman synced them up.
Mm-hmm. So, you guys. So, yeah.
There's noise cancelling. So better sound.
Mm-hmm. So, you tell them, you explain. You say this.
Noise cancelling.
Noise cancelling though, guys.
So you can't hear the noise around you.
Mm-hmm.
They're really good ones now.
Yeah. And my phone, this phone smartwatch is from Redmi also. This one. It's from Redmi also.
And they're handy, you can put them in your pocket and they're not too big.
Yeah. So
You can make phone calls on them too.
Here.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's all for today, guys. If you have questions, just comment down below. So please subscribe and don't forget to like. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.